Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Papercrafting with Enis, and I'm on today to choose and announce the winner of the Lemon and Daffodil diamond painting kit that I talked about in a video. I guess it's been almost 2 weeks now. I was supposed to draw the winner on Monday, but I am not feeling that great. I'm starting to get there, so I thought I would try to take care of this. So here's my copy, and it is complete, and I think it's really pretty. Here's the new kit here. Let me just go over the rules really quick. You had to be 18 years or older, a visible subscriber to my channel, have a U.S. mailing address. You had to use the word lemonade in your comment, and this is not sponsored by Temu, YouTube, or anyone else. This is just a free product that I got from Temu that I'm giving away. And with that, I'm going to try to jump over to the comment picker, and I say try because I've tried once before and it didn't work for me, and see if we can't get a winner. So hold on just a moment. Hopefully it'll work. So let me paste in the URL. Filter duplicate users, one winner. We're going to let the wheel spin for 12 seconds. Ooh, I don't know if I can solve this problem. Okay, get the comments. We have 21 unique comments, and I'm going to hit start. Wish everyone good luck, and we will see if we have a winner. Now, of course, like I said, you had to use the word lemonade, so if it lands on someone who did not use the word lemonade, I will choose again. So here we go. Hold on, everyone. So the winner of the diamond painting will be, hopefully, Sheikah B made it. Let's see. She says, and all of her comment is now on here. So I'm actually going to look on my laptop and find her comment. Let me read it here. Sheikah, where are you? Her comment says, beautiful diamond paintings, Enis. I haven't done or tried any diamond painting before. I just love your work, and the lemon painting is really nice. Makes me want some lemonade. Thank you for sharing. Heart, heart, heart. Yes, thank you, Sheikah. Boy, Sheikah sure is lucky on my channel. I know she's won a number of prizes. So, Sheikah, please be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know that you did see that you're my winner. Contact me either by email or on Instagram, and I will have both of those addresses in the description box. And I want to thank everyone for watching and for commenting and supporting my channel. I really, really appreciate it. And I am behind on doing some things because of about 3 weeks worth of illness, but I'm trying to get back to it. And I just want to thank everybody for their support, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.